Welcome to Color Kids Tunes!
A is for apple, shiny and red, keeps you healthy, it's often said. B is for ball, we bounce and throw, catch it quick, don't let it go. C is for cat, soft and sweet, purring gently by your feet. D is for dog, who loves to play, running and barking all through the day. A, B, C, come sing with me, learn your letters A to Z.
E is for elephant, big and gray, swinging his trunk in a fun big way. F is for fish, who swims so fast, blowing bubbles as he goes past. G is for goat on a grassy hill, chewing leaves, it's such a thrill. H is for hat you wear on your head, take it off when you go to bed.
Come on kids, sing with glee, learn your letters A to Z. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a yummy treat you love to eat. J is for jump, go high and low, up to the clouds, let's go, let's go. K is for kite, up in the sky, waving its tail as it flies so high. L is for lion, strong and proud, roaring loudly, oh so loud. A, B, C, come sing with me, learn your letters A to Z.
M is for moon that shines at night, glowing softly, silver and bright. N is for nest where birdies stay, safe and warm all night and day. O is for owl, wise and kind, woo woo, says the owl in the nighttime. P is for pig, who rolls in the mud, snoring and laughing, thud thud thud.
We're doing great, come sing with me, we're almost through our A to Z. Q is for queen with a shiny crown, smiling brightly at her town. R is for rainbow after the rain, colors shining bright again. S is for sun, warm and light, making the day so big and bright. T is for train that goes toot toot, riding the tracks, what a hoot.
U is for umbrella, open wide, keeps you dry when you're outside. V is for violin, playing a song, sweet and soft all day long. W is for whale in the deep blue sea, singing his tune so happily. X is for xylophone, tap tap tune, music ringing in the afternoon.
Y is for yellow, bright and fun, color of sunshine number one. Z is for zebra, black and white, running fast, what a sight. A, B, C, now